Namaste students, my name is JVS Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss a topic that is the importance of species diversity to the ecosystem. And the subject which is related to is ecology and evolution. So we have already discussed about the what is the diversity, species diversity. So, does the number of species in a community really matter to the functioning of the ecosystem? This is a question for which ecologists have not been able to give a definite answer. For many decades, ecologists believe that communities with more species generally tend to be more stable than those with the less species. So what exactly the stability for a biological community? A stable community should not show too much variation in productivity from a year to year. So it must be either resistant or resilient to occasional disturbances. So and it must be also be resistant to invasions by alien species. So we don't know how these attributes are linked to species richness in a community, but David Terman long-term ecosystem experiment using outdoor plots provides some tentative answers. So Terman found that plots with more species showed less year-to-year variation in total biomass production. He also showed that in his experiments, increased diversity contributed to higher productivity. So although we may not understand completely how species richness contributes to the well-being of an ecosystem, we know enough to realize that rich biodiversity is not only essential for ecosystem health, but imperative for the very survival of the human race on this planet. So at a time when we are losing species at an alarming pace, one might ask, does it really matter to us if a few species become extinct? Or would Western Ghats ecosystem be less functional if one of its tree frog species is lost forever? So how is our equality of life affected if, say, instead of 20,000, we have only 50,000 species of ants on Earth? There are no direct answer to such new questions, but we can develop a proper perspective through an analogy. So the analogy, the Rivett-Popper hypothesis, used by the Stanford ecologist Paul Ehrlich. So in an airplane ecosystem, all parts are joined together using thousands of rivets. So, say example, the airplane is an ecosystem and the rivets are species. So if every passenger traveling in it starts popping a rivet to take home, pausing, it may not affect flight safety, but initially. But as more as rivets are removed, the plane becomes dangerously weak over a period of time. Furthermore, which rivet is removed may also be critical. So loss of rivet on the wings is obviously more serious threat to flight safety than loss of a few rivets on the seats or windows inside the plane. So this explains the importance of a species diversity on the ecosystem. So hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.